Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change graphics settings in Beach Buggy Racing 2 on your mobile device. If you want to enjoy smoother gameplay for better visual depending upon your device, you can easily change the graphics setting in the Beach Buggy Racing 2 app. First of all, launch the game on your mobile device or tablets and make sure that your game is updated to the latest version for the best performance. Once you do that, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner right in front of your username, and this will open up these options from where you need to tap on Settings. Under Settings, go to Graphics, and then from there you can go ahead and customize your display resolution and your graphics settings. If you click on Normal, it will be shown as detailed. Now you'll receive a detailed graphic on your game. In order to increase or decrease the display resolution, go to the right hand side and click on the slider in order to increase or decrease the display resolution for the game. Set it according to your preference, and once you are done, you can then get back to the main screen, and there you have it. That's how you can easily change your graphics settings in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.